Ahmed, do you know a very special day is coming soon? No, I don't know. Please tell me. Then listen, coming close is 12th of Rabi.ul.Awwal, the day when our beloved Prophet Muhammad came into this world and returned to Allah on the same date. Really? What we should do on that special day? We can show our love to beloved Prophet Muhammad by awakening a forgotten sunnah by promising that we will pray 5 times a day. My all love is for Allah and my beloved Prophet Muhammad. I promise I will try my best to pray 5 times a day and I will awake at least one forgotten sunnah. That's great. Hey kids, let's all together start this campaign of awakening a forgotten sunnah.